Okay, we're going to try this again. That's all the way down. That's all the way up. And we'll walk around, get a little closer to some things. First thing, we'll get up to the fuel. That's a fuel pump. I just changed the filters out yesterday. So those are two brand new filters for that. It's a fast fuel system, pushing 60 pounds of fuel to the motor. That long black thing behind it is the fuel tank, holds 65 gallons of fuel. I know you were talking about welds. There's close up. Like I said, I've never had any problems with any of the welds. So that loop is for the drive shaft so it can go up and down without hitting that bar. Extra play. Here's a step. It's a full length running board. Okay. Go back here. There's a back bag. Nitrogen reservoir shock made by Bilstein. There's a back shot. So, see all the setup back here. See if I can get the tailgate. Likes to be finicky at times. There we go. So you can see the tailgate has a easy drop. And there's a compressor. Air tanks are inside the toolbox there. There's your 10-inch stacks. Okay. Come on around. Look at the front bags here. Keep forgetting I'm on an iPad, not my iPhone. I can promise you, you will only stick your knee into those once, because after that you will remember them every time. Got your drop down headlights underneath the front bumper. They are HID 8000s. They are super bright. The fog lights are the same way. Make sure I don't stand in an ant bed here. Oh, the bracketry. That wire in the far back, that is for something that I haven't hooked up yet. It's called Big Rig ice lights. You can see them on Recon website. So we'll go to the inside real quick. I don't think I told you about this. This little fob right here. If it's not plugged in, this truck cannot be started. There's 15 wires total. 3 of them make a combination to start the truck. Every single wire coming out of it is black. So you have to figure out the 3 out of the 15 that go together to make it start. So that is called a Revelco, and it's been on there since 2008. So I think I forgot to tell you about that. Give me a second to climb in. So we got our our gauges. You got trans, boost, another little focus. What's your trans temperature, your boost, and your pyro, and oil pressure, and fuel pressures over there. You can see everything matches, everything's, it all lights up green, even the main speedo. I don't know if you can make out, it says 205,983 miles on there. It's actually a lot more than that. It's more like 235,000, and I'll tell you why. One of the wires for the air ride system also controlled the speedometer and odometer, and it shorted out, and it took me a very long time to figure out where it was at, and I finally found it last year. So that's why I'm saying the truck has 230,000+ miles on it. The motor doesn't, though. I put in the motor, it had 85,000 miles on it, and that's probably like 40,000 miles ago. But the motor's strong and good to go. This is your keypad right here for your air ride. You have 1, 2, and 3. Those are preset settings. Up here, well, you have each bag you can control individually, and then you can control the front 2 and the back 2 at the same time as well. And this is the new head unit. It's just got put in today. It's a Pioneer mixed tracks, and it plays DVDs as well. And my friend that hooked it up, this little knob right here, you flip it and you can watch it while driving down the road. This is your tuner, your chip. 6 position is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I usually keep it at 4 unless I'm wanting to blow some smoke and somebody's hacked me off and I want to black them out, and then I go to 6, and that's when they get mad at me in return. So that's my little payback. So the back seat was clean until he put the old stereo in it. So, but there's the box for the new one. Well, give me a second and I'll turn it on, and you can hear it play, so that you know it does play. And you can see that the controller's going down to where ride height is, and that's, once it stops, that's where it's at. And like I said, you can control from here each bag individually. So, but there's the new doubled in. And it also comes with a remote. It's in the center console. There's a second remote for the air ride, because the air ride can also be controlled remotely. That's what this is. The second one's in the console as well. And there's also a second Revelco plug. It's in the console as well. I honestly don't remember if I have 2 keys or not. The second Revelco plug and the second, if there is a second key, it's at my parents' house. So I will make sure and have those in here. But basically that's it. There's the truck. I hope you get this, and I hope this video works a lot better for you. Let me know. Thanks.